Long train journey.
I need to go on a long journey for work.
Can we?
It won't be fun. I'm testing concrete.
Daddy Pig is stuck.
This is fun.
Yes, it actually is quite fun.
Please, can we go?
What does Mummy Pig think?
I think it sounds
What does George think?
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
George having a lot of fun.
Please, Daddy Pig. Why not sing a song to pass the time?
OK. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train runs on the track. Huff and puff, clickety-clickety-clack. Where will we sleep?
Right here.
But this isn't a bedroom, Daddy.
Watch this. Whee!
Daddy Pig is jumping up and down.
But this isn't a bedroom, Daddy.
Peppa, I really don't care.
A magic bathroom. There's a little basin with little taps.
And that's not all. Here's where we brush our teeth.
Hello?
Passports, please.
Of course.
You are Mr. Pig?
No.
It is bedtime.
Choo-choo!
Shut up, George.
Would you like coffee or orange juice?
I'd like both, please.
No.
Don't drink your juice.
Daddy Pig is an expert at concrete.
My job is done.